In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram feed to Hostinger website builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can access your websites. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to choose the correct one before moving forward. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong project and keeps the setup process smooth and organized. Once you're inside the right website settings, click on Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger website builder, where you can customize the layout and add new sections or features to your site. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all the design tools appear correctly on the screen. When the builder is open, look for the Elements option. This is where Hostinger keeps the different content blocks and tools you can place on your page, such as text, images, galleries, and social media features. Click Elements to open the available options and browse until you find the Instagram feed element. After that, click the Instagram feed element, then drag and drop it into the specific section of your website where you want it to appear. You can place it on a home page, a landing page, or any area that makes sense for your visitors. As you position it, try to choose a location where the feed feels natural and visually balanced. Once it's in place, adjust it as needed so it fits well with the rest of your design. This might include resizing the section or aligning it so it looks clean and professional. Next, click on the Instagram feed element you just added, and then click Edit Feed. This is where you'll access the settings that allow the feed to display content from your Instagram account. Make sure you've selected the correct element before editing, especially if your page contains several sections close together. From there, click Connect Instagram and follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger will guide you through the connection process, and you may need to approve access so the website can display your Instagram content properly. Just carefully read each screen and complete the steps as instructed. Once the connection is complete, your Instagram feed should begin appearing on your website. Before finishing, it's a good idea to review how it looks in the builder and make sure the placement and appearance match the style of your site. That's it. Your Instagram feed is now connected to your Hostinger website builder website.